Power Hyderabad. So students, today we'll discuss the important MCQs of 5th June 2021. So we'll go into our first MCQ. So the mobile app Namaste Yoga devoted to yoga has been launched by which ministry? So the mobile app Namaste Yoga devoted to yoga has been launched by which ministry? So you can see the options on the screen. So option A, Ministry of Ayush, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Option C, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Option D, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. And option E, Ministry of Women and Child Development. So the mobile app Namaste Yoga was devoted to yoga has been launched by the Ministry of Ayush. So the answer is A, Ministry of Ayush. So yesterday we discussed about this. So Ministry of Ayush launches Namaste app. So during the curtain raiser event of the 7th International Day of Yoga, so the theme of International Day of Yoga 2021 is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. So the app is designed to create awareness about yoga and to make it accessible to the larger community. So next question, who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of United Nations Conference on Trade and Development? So who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of United Nations Conference on Trade and Development? So you can see the options on the screen. So United Nations Conference on Trade and Development is an agency of the United Nations organization. They are part of the United Nations organization. So mainly focuses on development of trade and commerce in the entire globe. So the answer is option D, Rebecca Greenspan. So answer is option D, Rebecca Greenspan. So Costa Rican economist and former Vice President of Costa Rica, Rebecca Greenspan has been appointed as the Secretary General of United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. She is also the first woman and the Central American to head this organization. Okay. So prior to this, she worked as the United Nations Development Program Regional Director for Latin America and Caribbean region. So we'll go to the next MCQ. Mission Envision to study planet Venus has been launched by which space agency? So Mission Envision to study planet Venus has been launched by which space agency? Option A, NASA. Option B, European Space Agency. Option C, ISRO. Option D, Roscosmos. Option E, JAXA, Japan Space Agency. So the answer is option B, European Space Agency. So European Space Agency to launch Envision to Venus in 2030. So the spacecraft will take nearly 15 months to reach Venus and 16 more months to achieve the orbit circulation. So in order to enter into the Venus orbit, they need extra 16 months. So European Space Agency to launch Envision mission to Venus in 2030. So next question, International Albinism Awareness Day is marked every year on. International Albinism Awareness Day is marked every year on. Option A, 10th June. Option B, 12th June. Option C, 11th June. Option D, 13th June. Option E, 14th June. So International Albinism Awareness Day is marked on, answer option D, 13th June. So International Albinism Awareness Day, 13th June. Theme of year 2021 is Strength Beyond All Odds. So every year this event is conducted to educate people about albinism. So what is albinism? How it is caused? So a defect in one of the several genes that produce or distribute melanin causes albinism. So the defect in a gene which produces melanin is called albinism. So this defect will result in absence of melanin production or reduced amount of melanin production. Okay. So next question. So which of the following bank has recently launched Ghar Ghar Ration program, an employee funded program for its low income customers whose lives are affected by COVID-19. So which of the following bank has launched the Ghar Ghar Ration program, an employee funded program for its low income customers whose livelihoods are affected by COVID-19? So option A, ICICI Bank. Option B, SBI Bank. Option C, IDFC First Bank. Option D, Axis Bank. Option E, IDBI Bank. So the answer is IDFC First Bank. So IDFC First Bank launches Customer COVID Relief Ghar Ghar Ration program. So under this program, So all the employees of the bank will contribute their personal income to set up a COVID care fund to provide relief to 50,000 COVID affected low income customers of their bank. So this is about the Gargar Ration program scheme. The next question, IIT Roorkee Professor Shailesh Ganpule has received the National Security Guard Counter IED and Counter Terrorism Innovator Award 2021 for his design of which of the following? So option A, blast resistant helmet, option B, jacket, option C, camera, option D, van, option E, powder. So IIT Roorkee Professor Shailesh Ganpule has received the National Security Guard Counter IED and Counter Terrorism Innovator Award 2021 for his design of blast resistant helmet. So the answer is blast resistant helmet. So IIT Professor bags NSG award for the blast resistant helmet. The next MCQ, India's forex reserves crossed 600 billion mark for the first time. So India is the largest forex reserves holder. So which position? So India is placed at which rank? So India is now at which rank? Option A 1, B 2, 3C, D 4 and E 5. So India is ranked at 5th place. So India is the 5th largest forex reserves holder. So India reserves cross 600 billion mark, too soon to become the 4th largest forex reserves holder. So globally, China first, Japan second, Switzerland third, Russia 4, India is at 5th place. So India's rank globally is now at 5th, soon to reach 4th place, replacing Russia. So next question, the rank of India in Coursera's Global Skills Report 2021. So what is the rank of India in the Coursera's Global Skills Report 2021? Option A 23, option B 31, option C 45, option D 52, option E is 67. Option E is 67. So rank of India in Coursera Global Skills Report 2021 and the answer is option E 67. So India ranks 67 in the Coursera's Global Skills Report 2021. So rank 1 Switzerland, rank 2 Luxembourg, rank 3 Austria. So rank 3 is Austria. So India ranks 67 in the Global Skills Report 2021 published by Coursera. So Coursera is an American massive open online course provider which is headquartered in California. So next question, Home in the World book is a memoir of. So Home in the World book is authored by. So which are the following? Option A Abhijit Banerjee, B Esther, option C Amartya Sen, option D Raghuram Ranjan, option E Manmohan Singh. So Home in the World book is a memoir of option C Amartya Sen. Option C Amartya Sen. So Home in the World, a memoir book by Amartya Sen. Home in the World, a memoir book by Amartya Sen. So in this book he will share his details of his life and explores the idea of home. So he also shares how Rabindranath Tagore gave him the name Amartya. So he was the winner of Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998. He was also conferred with the National Humanities Medal by President Obama in 2012. So next question is, World Blood Donor Day is observed globally on. The next question is, World Blood Donor Day is observed globally on. Option A June 15, June 16, June 14, June 13, June 12. So World Blood Donor Day is observed globally on option C June 14. So World Blood Donor Day is observed on June 14 and theme of the year 2021 is Give Blood and Keep the World Beating. Give blood and keep the world beating. So host country for World Blood Donor Day 2021 is Rome, Italy. So the host country for World Blood Donor Day 2021 is Rome, Italy. So the aim of the day is to raise awareness about the need of safe blood and blood products for transfusion. So Karl Landsteiner is a great scientist who won Nobel Prize for his discovery of the ABO blood group system. So these are the details about the World Blood Donor Day. So next question, who among the following has won the French Open title 2021? So who among the following has won the French Open title 2021? So he already, for hint for you, he recently won the Belgrade Open also. He recently won the Belgrade Open. So this is his 19th title, total 19th title, Grand Slam titles. So the answer is option B, Novak Djokovic. So option is D, Novak Djokovic. So Novak Djokovic wins the French Open title 2021. So it is his 19th Grand Slam title, and he is also the first man in 52 years to win all the 4 Grand Slam titles twice. So he won Australian Open 9 times, Wimbledon 5 times, US Open 3 times and French Open twice. The next question, which of the following will become the world's first mask-free country in Corona period? So which of the following country becomes the first mask-free country? So option A, Switzerland, B, Iceland, C, Sweden, D, Malaysia, E, Israel. So hint for you, this country is frequently in news in the past 1 month. So this country is frequently in news in the past 1 month, and option is E, Israel. So Israel will become the world's first mask-free country from June 15th. So the rule of applying masks in closed places will end by June 15th. So they started their COVID vaccination earlier in 2020 December itself. So they almost vaccinated their entire elderly population, and now they are vaccinating children between 12 to 15 years. The next question, name the first village in India where the entire population above 18 years of age have been vaccinated. So name the first village in India where the entire population above 18 years of age have been vaccinated. So what is the name of the village? So the answer is option D, Wayan. Wayan village, Bandipora district, Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. So Wayan village in Bandipora district, Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, so becomes the first village of the country to record 100% vaccination of all people over 18 years. So this is achieved by the J&K model. So under J&K model, administration, the healthcare workers will directly go to the people and they will vaccinate them instead of people coming to the vaccination centers. It is like a door-to-door vaccination service. The next question, so name the Bollywood actor who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of the biotechnology company MyLab. So name the Bollywood actor who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of biotechnology company MyLab. So MyLab has recently launched a product, COVID Shelf. So COVID self-test kit called COVID Shelf. So who is the brand ambassador of the product? So the answer is B, Akshay Kumar. So Akshay Kumar is the brand ambassador of COVID Shelf, which was produced by MyLab biotechnology company. So biotechnology company MyLab appoints Akshay Kumar as brand ambassador. So COVID Shelf is the country's first COVID-19 self-test kit. So Akshay Kumar will play a vital role in educating people about the use of the products related to COVID-19. So this is all for today. The questions, total questions for today. So if you like our content, so please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So for free PDFs, you can follow our Telegram channel. So thank you for today. So we'll meet in our next session.